Yes, today in this video we shall discuss remaining questions from the exercise 10.5. Question number 7 is saying that a cyclic quadrilateral with its diagonals are the diameter of the circle. Then show that quadrilateral ABCD is the rectangle. Clear? So before starting this question, we have to know that one statement we have discussed in previous video, angle subtended or angle in a semicircle is of right angle. Clear? So thus the statement angle in a semicircle is right angle will be used in this proof. Okay, so proof. There AC is the diameter, clear? AC is this diameter divides this circle into two semicircles. One is right above the circle and one is left below the circle. So in this semicircle, angle subtended by this diameter is this angle. Clear? Mark with different colors. Yes, and this angle. AC divide this circle into two semicircles, and in this semicircle the angle subtended by this diameter is this, so it will be right angle. Similarly, this will also right angle. So implies that what we have to write here, angle ADC इक्वल टू होगा एंगल ABC एंड विल इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. दिस इज स्टेटमेंट 1. एंड सिमिलरली BD is a diameter. Clear? This is given and this is also given. So BD is this. So this angle will be right angle, and other semicircle angle C, so this will also right angle, because BD is the diameter and we know that in a semicircle angle subtended by the diameter is of right angle. So angle BAD will equal to angle BCD. That is statement 2. Clear? So from स्टेट इसको 90 के इक्वल कर दें डियर, इट इज 90. फ्रॉम स्टेटमेंट 1 एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 वी विल राइट कि एंगल ADC इक्वल टू एंगल ABC और इक्वल टू एंगल BAD and equal to angle BCD or equal to near 90. Or this can be written angle D equal to angle B equal to angle A equal to angle C और equal to किसके 90 डिग्री. Clear? In quadrilateral ABCD, जो quadrilateral ABCD गिवन है, आप देखोगे एंगल A इक्वल टू एंगल B इक्वल टू एंगल C इक्वल टू एंगल D और इक्वल टू किसके 90 के. जस्ट प्रूव. क्लियर? एंड वी नो दैट ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन विच ऑल द एंगल्स इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री, like angle A, B, C and D, all angles are equal to 90 degree. So we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Is it clear? Very easy. So do it. But it is easy when you remember the statement angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Clear? So do it. Question number 8th. Eighth question is saying that ki ABCD is a trapezium and its non-parallel sides are equal. Means non-parallel sides AD and BC are the non-parallel sides. Means these are not the parallel. So these are equal and AB parallel to CD. Then show that ki this quadrilateral means trapezium will be a cyclic quadrilateral. So to prove this we have to do some construction, and construction is produce AB to E such that yani produce AB to E such that how कि AD parallel to CE means AD and the CE both are parallel. Prove. Clear? ठीक है. AE parallel to CD. AB कहें या AE कहें is parallel to CD. Why? Because it is given AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to CE. ये क्या बेटा? Construction. And we are discussing this in quadrilateral AECD. So इन दोनों थिंग्स से हम कह सकते हैं डियर कि quadrilateral AECD is a parallelogram. Why? We know that कि quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. It's both the pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Clear? So and implies that meaning of this कि angle D equal to angle E. Angle D equal to angle E, and this is statement 1. Okay. एंड और चीज़ भी है, और क्या है कि अपोजिट साइड्स आर आल्सो इक्वल मीन्स AD इक्वल टू CE. बट डियर AD एंड BC आल्सो इक्वल, सेइंग दैट कि नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम आर इक्वल मीन्स AD एंड BC बोथ आर इक्वल. क्या? AD एंड BC, दीज थिंग्स AD एंड BC बोथ आर इक्वल. सो AD इक्वल टू BC. सो this and this will also equal because AD means CE and BC both are equal to AD. Due to this BC and CE will be equal. So BC equal to CE. Clear? In triangle BCE ठीक है भाई. BC equal to किसके? CE के. It means these two are equal. So angle opposite to this side means this, and angle opposite to this side means this. So angle B equal to angle E means CBE. Angle CBE will equal to angle E. That is statement 2. Clear? And but देखेंगे AE parallel to CD. Why? It is given. देखो this line and this line both are parallel to each other, and BC is the transversal line, and we know that two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal line. Then a pair of alternate angle means this angle and this angle will be equal. So angle CBE will equal to angle BCD. Clear? And this is statement 3rd. From statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3rd. देखिए एंगल D इक्वल है किसके? एंगल E के. एंगल E, और एंगल E कहाँ पर बेटा? एंगल E इज दिस, एंड एंगल E इक्वल टू एंगल CBE, और एंगल CBE किसके इक्वल है? एंगल CBE इक्वल है बेटा एंगल BCD के. दैट इज स्टेटमेंट कौन सा, इसको कहते हैं स्टेटमेंट फोर्थ, ठीक है। बट एंगल ए और प्लस एंगल डी, एंगल ए और एंगल डी, एंड दिस एंगल will equal to 180 degree. Why? Because AB parallel to CD. This line and this line both are parallel to each other. So, sum of the co-interior angles will equal to 180. इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम क्या होगा, 180 होगा। अब यहां से देन देखो एंगल डी की वैल्यू यहां रख दें तो क्या होगा, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल BCD will equal to 180 degree. Means अब in quadrilateral ABCD angle A plus angle BCD equal to 180 just prove, ठीक है। यानी ये एंगल और ये एंगल, इन दोनों का सम क्या हो गया, 180। तो वी कैन से दैट कि भैया क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD इज ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इफ अपोजिट एंगल्स का सम अगर 180 हो जाए तो दैट क्वाड्रिलेटरल विल बी साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल। ओके, सो डू इट। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9th। in this question two circles are given to us, both are intersecting each other at point B and C, and through point B two line segments are drawn, one is ABD and other is PBQ, okay, and saying that show that ACP angle ACP equal to angle QCD. Where is ACP? ACP is this ACP, यानी this angle will equal to angle this QCD, means these two angles are equal to each other. This we have to prove. Okay, देखिए this angle and this angle both are equal. Why? ABP या PBA equal to angle QBD. Why? Vertical opposite angle. Clear? फोर सर्किल C1, अब देखेंगे फोर सर्किल C1. In this circle देखिए arc AP, this arc subtended two angles, one angle this and one angle is this. Both angles are in the same segment other than this arc. Whole circle is called a segment, and these two angles, one is this and one is this, both are in same segment. So here we can say that कि angle PBA, this angle will equal to angle ACP, angle ACP, and the reason is angle in a same segment. Okay, and that is statement 2. For circle C2, for this circle देखिए arc QD subtending these two angles, one is this and one is this, both the angles are in same segment. So here we can say that angle QBD will equal to angle QCD, and these two angles will be same, angle QCD, and that is statement 3. And reason, angle in a same segment, okay. So from 1, 2 and 3, how देखो स्टेटमेंट वन इज एंगल पी बी ए इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू बी डी. Okay, dear. Statement 2 is saying that ki angle PBA equal to angle ACP. So this angle can be replaced by angle ACP, and in place of this we can write angle QBD equal to angle QCD. This angle replaced by this means QCD, angle QCD. Is it clear? So do it. इस एंगल को हम प्रूफ कर सकते हैं दोनों को इस तरीके से. इज इट क्लियर? सो डू इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. In 10th question, a triangle ABC given to us and saying that two circles are drawn taking AB and AC as diameter. Both the circles are intersecting at point D and saying that this point D will lie on the side of triangle BC. Okay, means point D को prove करना है कि point D is on BC. Clear? Means we have to show that BDC is a straight line. When we prove BDC is the straight line, so point D obviously is on the BC. Okay, so construction is join A to D. Clear? Prove. देखो डियर, AB is diameter. खुद कह रहा है क्वेश्चन में कि AB is the diameter and we all are well familiar now कि एंगल इन ए सेमी सर्किल और एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय द डायमीटर एट द पॉइंट ऑन द सर्किल will be a right angle. So angle ADB, where is ADB? ADB is this angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, similarly AC is also diameter and it is also given. Similarly, angle subtended by the diameter is of right angle, so this also 90 degree. So what do we have to write? Angle ADC will equal to 90. That is second part. Okay, so adding statement 1 and equation 1 plus equation 2, लेफ्ट साइड में यानी एंगल ADB प्लस एंगल ADC will equal to 90 plus 90 is 180 and the sum of these two angles will equal to whole BDC. So angle BDC equal to 180 means straight angle. So here we can say that BDC is a straight line. Straight line implies that D is on BC. Okay, is it clear? So do it. Question number 11th. In 11th questions, two right angle triangles ABC and ADC both are having same hypotenuse AC. Clear? In this there are two cases. One is कि पॉइंट बी यानी कॉमन हाइपोटेनस लाइक कि वर्टेक्स बी ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी एंड वर्टेक्स ऑफ डी ऑफ ट्रायंगल एसीडी बोथ आर इन आइदर साइड मीन्स अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ एसी. एंड सेकेंड कंडीशन इज कि बोथ द वर्टिसेस of triangle ABC and triangle ACD यानी B and D are on the same side of AC. तो फर्स्ट we are taking कि पॉइंट B and यानी वर्टेक्स B and वर्टेक्स D are either side mean opposite side of AC. क्लियर? देखिए एंगल ABC is 90 डिग्री and angle ADC is of 90 degree. This is given and this also given. So angle, this is 1 and this is 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2, then we get angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 90 plus 90. Angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 degree. Clear? In quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 implies that quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? So means a circle can be drawn through point A, B, C and D. When we join B to D like this, angle CAD, this angle and this angle are in the same segment, means both the angles are subtended by arc CD in the remaining portion, same segment. So angle CAD equal to angle CBD, okay, CBD. और रीजन क्या देंगे? एंगल इन ए सेम segment, okay, angle in a same segment. Now we will discuss in other situation means both the vertices B and D are same side of AC. This is the AC and point B is this right angle and same D is this. This is also a right angle. Clear? And we have discussed a theorem कि line joining the two points subtends equal angle at the two different points same side of the line, then points are concyclic. Here angle ABC equal to angle ADC or equal to 90. Clear? Implies that A, B, D and C are concyclic points. Means a circle can be drawn through कौन सा A, B, D and C. Clear? Join B to D. See, angle CAD, this angle, and angle CBD, this angle, both are subtended by arc CD in the same segment. So clearly we can say that angle CAD equal to angle CBD. Okay, angle in a same segment. Logic is this. Yes. Question number 12th exercise 10.5 से क्वेश्चन इज कि ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram, then show that कि the quadrilateral is a rectangle. Clear? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. यानी quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is statement A, or implies that we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal, means angle A equal to angle C, and that is statement 1. Clear? But quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Implies that we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. So here we can say that कि angle A plus angle C will equal to 180 degree. This angle and this angle are the opposite angles, so sum of these two angles will equal to 180 degree, and this is given, this also given. Okay, so from 1, statement 1 is saying that कि angle A equal to angle C, so angle C can be replaced by angle A, so angle A plus angle A will equal to 180, implies that twice of angle A equal to 180 and will give angle A equal to 90 degree. That is statement B. Clear? From statement A and B, from statement A and B, dear, statement A is saying that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram, and statement B is saying that angle A is 90 degree. So a parallelogram in which any angle is of 90 degree become rectangle. So quadrilateral ABCD will be a rectangle. Clear? So do it.